Ya Rabb, you know what we show and what we hide. And nothing in this earth or the sky is hidden from Allah. Your Rabb is the companion for you in your times of solitude. The one who is with you in your times of despair. The word used to make dua to Allah the most in the Quran is the word Rabb. Allahumma in the Quran is used very rarely, 5 times in the Quran. You search the word Rabbana, Rabbi, Rabbi with a kasra, hundreds of times. And this is the name of Allah, the only name of Allah you can attribute to yourself. That's one of the unique things about it. In the Quran, you never see the word Rahmani, my Rahman. You never see the word Ilahi, you never see it in the Quran. You never see Maliki, my king, you don't see it in the Quran. But you see Rabbi, my Rabb. You see Rabbana, our Rabb. Why is that? Because this is the most personal name of Allah. This is the name of Allah that is most close to you. And you can say, it's mine. Because He is your Lord. He is your caretaker. He is your nurturer. He looks after you when others have abandoned you. He's the one who provides for you when there's no one to provide for you. He is yours.